Welcome to Yog Thermal Guru. In today's video, we'll talk about something you often see on RTD sensors, Class A and Class B. What do these classes mean? And which one should you use for your temperature measurement? Let's understand it in a very simple way. What is RTD class? RTD classes simply tell us how accurate the sensor is. Every RTD has a small error or tolerance, and that tolerance depends on its class. So, when you see Class A or Class B, it's just showing how close your reading will be to the real temperature. Difference between Class A and Class B. Class A RTDs are more accurate than Class B RTDs. That means Class A gives a reading very close to the actual temperature, while Class B may have a slightly higher variation. For example, if the real temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, a Class A RTD might show around 100.2 degrees Celsius or 99.8 degrees Celsius. A Class B RTD might show around 100.8 degrees Celsius or 99.2 degrees Celsius. So, both are good, but Class A gives better accuracy. Where to use each type? Now, which one should you choose? Class A RTDs are used where high accuracy is important, like laboratories, calibration systems, and precise temperature control. Class B RTDs are used in general industrial applications like furnaces, HVAC systems, or machines where a small error is acceptable. In simple words, Class A is equal to more accurate, little expensive. Class B is equal to standard accuracy, more common. Other types like 1/3 din, 1/10 din. Sometimes you'll also hear terms like 1/3 din or 1/10 din. These just mean the RTD has even tighter accuracy than Class A. They are used in special equipment where even a small error matters, like calibration devices or medical instruments. So to sum it up, Class A higher accuracy, Class B standard accuracy, din tights super high precision. Choose your RTD class based on your accuracy requirement and budget. Thanks for watching Yog Thermal Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more temperature sensor knowledge.